And I don't even have no expectations. I've been burned, I've been hurt, yeah.
Hey diamonds, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you a nail supplies haul. And sorry if the camera wobbles, this thingy is kind of wobbly. So I'm going to be basically showing you guys a haul of things I've been buying. So that way you guys can see all the stuff I have in store for you. I want to go ahead and start off with these because it is most of my stuff, most of the things. These things came individually packed. Well, except for the ones that are like dual chrome. Those came in together. Okay guys, sorry it took a while. So this one is like it's a blue chrome. I mean, it does have a little bit of product, but I think this powder was like only $2. I think this one shifts from blue to purple, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this one shifts from blue to purple. Oh, this is more like a mermaid effect, but this is like, it has like an orangey cast to it. This one is like from burgundy to gold, like a burgundy to gold to green. It's like on camera, I'm looking at it, it kind of looks purple, but in person it looks burgundy to gold. This one is just a plain gold. This one is plain silver. This is like the the chrome powder, the actual chrome, silver chrome. This is like a unicorn one, but this one is more like blue shaded. And guys, I'll try to link it down below where I got them, but all the chrome powders, these that I've been mentioning, I got them all, except for this one. I got this one locally, but all these I got them off of the Wish app. So this one is just like a straight up green, which I thought it was gonna be from green. Oh no, this one is from green to gold. This is really pretty. And then this one is, oh, I already showed you this one, right? This is the purple. No, this one is actually purple to teal. Yeah, purple to teal. I used this one last time. It was pretty. I think on camera it looks teal, but in person, you see, it looks purple. So purple just shifts to teal. It's really, really cool. These were all supposed to be like duochrome. So like so far I've seen these three are like just true to color, purple, green, and blue, which kind of makes me feel ripped off. That these guys are all hollow. This one I bought these two I bought locally. This is a hollow, like the Galaxy hollow flakies. This is not like the actual powder. It looks more dispersed and it looks really pretty. So I have that one, and then I got off this one, which is similar to this one, but I think this one's finer. This one I got it off of AliExpress. And then this one is like straight up glitter. It's supposed to be holographic, but it's like straight up glitter. And I bought this one off of the Wish app, but I think I already showed it to you. Yeah, this is off the Wish app, but it's from the Born Pretty store. And then lastly, I have this one. Is really pretty. I got this one off of AliExpress. So yeah. Next thing I want to show you guys is super random, but I bought this eyelash perm kit. I bought it on the Wish app. I think it came out to like $13. So the next thing I have are these. I got these off of Wish, or either Wish or AliExpress. I don't remember, to be honest, but these are the alcohol inks. I've played with them a little bit, and guys, I'm kind of disappointed in like this brand because it's not pigmented that much. Like it's like very diluted, so like Like the blues, the dark colors, they're very the blues, the dark colors are very pigmented, but like this pink one, I don't know if you can see, like it comes out a little pigmented, but like, you know, it's like very like sheer, where it's like very sheer, like where I've seen other ones, or just like even the Sharpie marker come out, like it looks like more pigmented. So these are kind of like a disappointment to me. I'll try the blue one so you guys can see the difference. Excuse my manly ugly hands, guys. Like see, the blue one's a little bit more pigmented, but it does lose like a lot of color. Like they're not really pigmented. I mean, you honestly though, you get what you pay for. I mean, I bought them super cheap. They were like $1.50 each. But I don't know. I guess I will just look for the actual alcohol inks that everybody uses, that are the ones that they sell like at Hobby Lobbies or Michael's. So yeah, and I bought all the colors that they had. I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 colors that they had. So this is kind of like a disappointment. But I'll keep on playing with it. Maybe it's just my technique. But so far, everything that I've done and I've played with, I'm not really a fan of. Next thing I have, sorry about that, is this packaging I got. This is the brush that I've always wanted to get. I see everybody and their mama has this. So this is the brush holder that everybody has that I've seen. It looks super bougie. This is my favorite brush. This is a size 14 Kalinsky. It's got a flower in it. Guys, this is my favorite brush, to be honest. I bought it locally when there was a beauty supplies. There was more than only just one beauty supply store. But they moved since, and I can't find another brush. I've tried many brushes, and none of them can replace my beautiful brush. Guys, so... Oh, by the way, look, I decorated this one. I used... This glows in the dark. Everything I did hand painted and stuff. So pretty. But I'll do a collection of my nail stuff later, because really I don't have a station at the moment. But anyways, next thing I want to show you guys is this these drill bits. So I bought these two drill bits together. Let me try to take them out so you guys can see them. These are for, I bought them for the, actually I bought these three together. These drill bits, are for like the cuticle area when you don't want it to look like a stair, like right here. Perfect to go in between here to like make it look a little bit more flush. And this is the cuticle bit. And then these are the diamond bits that I need to get backups of these, because I really love these to get like under the cuticle, like to push it back, and this one to remove the excess cuticle. I really have been loving these a lot. I got these on the Wish app, and I got these on AliExpress. If I can find a link to them, I will link them down below. I'll try my best. These three drill bits are different. I bought these off another website before I looked into buying the ones on the Wish or AliExpress. I'll look for the link and I'll try to put these in the bottom. But they're really good. They're really good. I bought these before I knew I can buy them off of the Wish and AliExpress. And now that we're at the cuticle bits, I'm going to show you guys something super cool that I got off of the Wish app. This one I bought off the Wish app. This is a portable drill. I bought this drill for $50, if not a little bit less. It doesn't feel cheap, but it doesn't feel expensive. You know what I mean? So I bought this drill, and if you guys want to see a review on it, I'll go ahead and do one, and I'll upload it probably by the next upload videos. So this is the other item. Next item I have, guys, I already filled it up with what I usually use, but this little box, it's super awesome because it stores a lot of rhinestones. This like the number 8 and the 10 is like the whole 1440 pack, and it fits really nicely on here. And I just numbered them to see what number the rhinestones are, so when I refill them I know which one goes in. But like, I love this thing because you can take this out and like just, you know, like just use this and that's it, and they open individually and it's super convenient. This little box costs, I think, like $3. Is the cheapest I found it for, but it's really good, and I actually want to buy another one. If I find the links, I'll leave them to you guys down below. Next thing I want to show you guys is this stamper. It's from Born Pretty, but I bought this off of the Wish shop. Guys, it's huge, and I love it because of the huge window, you can like see where you want to stamp and like what part of the design you want to stamp on your nails. I just haven't primed it, so I need to go ahead and prime it before I use it. Guys, and I suck at stamping, but because like I'm so slow when it comes to the stamping, but all that has finished because I found this magic product, which is not magic, but you know, these are my stamping plates. I have very little because I suck at stamping. I have I found this Wildflower's black stamping gel, which is a game changer, guys. This is a stamping gel, not a stamping polish, meaning you have like, it's like a gel. It doesn't dry unless it's cured, and it gives you more time to work with, you know, the stamps. And I mean, I've actually even used one like application on the stamper twice. Like, you know, you can reuse it. I'll probably do a demo on this some other day so I can show you guys how it works. Once I found that out, when I was looking on the videos on how to use these, because I watch YouTube videos to how to use it because that's how bad I suck at stamping, I noticed that the Born Pretty has stamping gels and they have colors. Wildflower only comes with black and white, and this thing was kind of expensive. Oh look, I still have the invoice. This baby was $22. It's super expensive, and it's got 0.51 ounces. I got these for $1 each and they're super cool. So I have the red color, I have yellow, white. You're always gonna need your black and white. Black, because I wanted to do a comparison from this black. I got a silver one. Lilac, it's a purple one. These are the ones I got off of the Wish app. I know it says Born Pretty, but you can get these off the Wish app, and sometimes they're cheaper than buying them from the Born Pretty store. Okay, so these are the stamping gels. I want to also do a video on this, so stay tuned, guys. I know recently I've only been uploading on Saturdays, but I want to be consistent, and I don't want to say I'm going to upload twice a week or 3 times a week and, like, you know, fail on you guys. So for now, just every Saturday. Now that we're talking about Wildflower, the next item I have is this awesome matte gel polish. The bottle is freaking awesome. Even like the handle is holographic. Guys, so what the best part of this matte gel polish, which I've asked around and I've watched a video, and this one is one of the top 3 that I've seen, which I wanted to get the other 2 top gel polishes, but I'm trying to stay within budget, girls. Don't you see I bought everything off the Wish app? This thing was, I think, oh, hold on, I actually have the invoice here, guys. This thing was $18. The best part that I like about this matte gel top coat is that it's a no wipe. So, and like, it's clear, not like the other white matte gel top coats that are like white-ish. This one is clear. It goes on clear, and you just put it in the lamp and it dries matte. Like, you take it out and it's matte. You don't have to wipe it off, which I love, because sometimes, you know, it's not like you just want to do the top coat and that's it. You don't want to be messing around with the inhibition layer and everything. next thing I have for you guys is this glue, this infamous Zulay glue. I've heard it's one of the best glues for the rhinestones. This is what I usually use, guys. This is my ride and die, the Big Bondini nail glue. But recently they stopped selling it in my local beauty supply store, so I'm gonna have to look for this online. But I honestly prefer this one sometimes because this one is like way cheaper, because it's like $7 a bottle, and this one's like $15 or $10. And since I got this, because I got this off of it's Lovely Mimi. She uses this one, she recommended this one, and she also bought this spray, which I got this one off of eBay, and I think it was like $7 to $12. I don't remember, to be honest. I will try to look it up for you, and I will get a link for you guys. So apparently these two are the dynamic duo. Next thing I have, guys, I only have 2 magnetic gel polishes, but I bought these 2 wands for the cat. This one for the cat eye, and then this one is like these little round shape and this little comb thingy, just to play around with the designs. Nothing too crazy. And last but not least in this video, guys, I bought these tip replacements for my practice hands, which I want to start doing videos with. So yeah, so if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section down below. If you have any requests, leave them down below. I'm trying to upload every Saturday, so just make sure to like this video if you want to keep seeing haul videos for nail supplies. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can know whenever I upload a video. Usually it's every Saturday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, you're a diamond, nobody can break it.